With search and display advertising, CPA firms can reach businesses and affluent prospects who are currently in the market for accounting and CPA services. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for future updates on lead generation for CPAs. This is an example of an ad that would appear when a prospect searches for CPA firms in Chicago. Clicking on the ad will send users to the firm's website or a custom landing page. Here is an example that appears on phones when a prospect searches for business valuation services. Since you are only charged for clicks, you want to avoid appearing for searches that are not likely to be prospects. We do this by only appearing for high-intent searches. This includes searches where the prospect appears to currently be in the market for CPA services. Searches like accountant near me, find a tax advisor, and small business CPA firm all indicate that the searcher is likely to be in the market. By contrast, we would avoid appearing for topics that are overly broad like bookkeeping or income tax brackets. We would also avoid topics where the searcher is probably just doing research and is not necessarily looking to hire a CPA. Capital expenditures and tax credits are examples. We also target searches for specific services that your firm may offer or niches that your firm serves. CFO services, payroll companies near me, and CPA for medical practice are all examples. With display advertising, we have access to most well-known business and financial websites, apps, and YouTube channels. We never target entire websites, but instead target specific articles and sections of websites. The goal is to replicate the intent that you have with search ads. In this example, the article, Tips for Finding the Right Tax Accountant for You, is likely to be read by a person who is in the market. The advertisement on the right is highly relevant to the article, and a click on the ad will send the prospect to the firm's website. This is a similar example on a phone. A reader of the article, 7 Tips to Find the Best Tax Preparer Near You, is likely to be in the market. As you scroll down, you will see this CPA firm's ad. Most CPA firms are interested in targeting local affluent prospects, so our goal is to spend most of the budget in nearby affluent zip codes. In this table, you can see zip codes near the firm's office, sorted by how far they are from the office. Data on income brackets and average home price have been appended from the IRS and Zillow respectively. The bid adjustment column determines how much we will spend in any zip code. Obviously, the closer and more affluent a zip code is, the more aggressively we will target the area. Our coverage map provides an overview of targeted areas. In addition to zip code targeting, we can target much more specific locations. This can include company headquarters, office parks, universities, medical centers, and affluent neighborhoods. In this example, we are targeting Trousdale Estates in Los Angeles, where average home values are over $11 million. Along with location targeting, additional demographic and user behavior targeting is layered in. Income bracket targeting relies on user behavior and interests. When targeting age brackets, most CPAs will exclude younger age groups and focus most of the spend on middle age and up. CPAs can focus most of the spend on homeowners and people with advanced education. Recent user behavior can also be taken into account. This includes people who have recently done relevant searches and visited relevant web pages, as well as people who have visited your own website. If this video was helpful, please like it, share it, or subscribe for future updates. If your firm is interested in setting up a campaign, contact me at gkellett@vizala.com.